If you've got one of our tonneau covers or our bed caps, your bed is protected from the elements from above, but there's still a chance that debris or water can get in through the cracks around your tailgate. That's why you need Rough Country's Tailgate Seal Kit. This self-adhesive weather strip installs quick and easy, creating a barrier against water and debris entering through the gaps around your tailgate. The kit includes 10 foot of teardrop-shaped weather stripping and alcohol pads to clean the mounting surface. Installation is quick and easy. Don't blink or you're gonna miss it. First, we're gonna take our alcohol pad, open it up, and clean the surface that we intend to stick the weather strip to. Just gonna start up top, work our way down, across the bottom, and back up the other side. Got the seal laid out. Now we'll go ahead and remove the backing and apply it to the bed of the truck. Take your time on the curves, do your best not to kink it, and just make your way all the way around. Now we'll run it all the way up to the top and cut off our excess length. After you've installed the seal, go ahead and give your tailgate a close. Check your gaps from the inside, make sure that no light's coming around. Also, leaving the tailgate closed is gonna help that seal set and take shape. Rough Country's Tailgate Seal Kit, further protecting the contents of your bed from the elements, dust, and debris. And you know the rest. Get yours today at roughcountry.com.